Hello, everyone. It's your girl, Nicole, and this is your Z Entertainment Report. Before I get started, I want to give a shout out to my friend, Victor Price. He's out in the community. He does fantastic photography work at any event, Victor Price. Hate it or love it, Disney star Zaina Coleman lands the role of Aaliyah in the new VH1 biopic. Cool kids get less cool. It is a real-life Revenge of the Nerds. We have scientific proof that being cool in high school doesn't mean that you're going to be cool in the real world. As a matter of fact, by 22, the kids that sat at the cool table are more likely to engage in criminal activity and have serious drug and alcohol problems when they get older. Now, there are some scientists that took some kids, about 200 of them, from the ages of 13 to 23, and watched them as they went through high school. And the popular kids in high school were involved in behaviors that were older, and it tended for them to want to be more mature and seek out more extreme behaviors that did not satisfy them, which caused them to be more engaged in criminal behaviors later, seeking that rush. So the kids that were on a normal pace, going through being children, like my mom said, get your hands off your imagination. That meant get your hands off your hips, or get out my mouth, I'm talking. You know what I'm saying? That means don't be in the conversation when grown people are talking. If you don't check your children and let them know you are a child, stay in a child's place, they tend to want to grow up faster. It's not always cool to sit at the cool kids' table. The Austin City Limits is back this October, and iHeartRadio is sending one lucky winner and 3 friends to the show. Win your way to Austin City Limits by listening to iHeartRadio, Austin City Limits Station, and texting iHeartRadio to 45495 when you hear the keyword. For more information, go to KIIZ.com. State Farm, along with Steve Harvey, is giving a chance to sing your way to the 2014 Neighborhood Award Show, a chance to win $10,000. Go to KIIZ.com and click on the Steve Harvey banner, find State Farm, and get registered up. There are 3 ways to enter. Submit a video of you singing your song, register to audition in Atlanta, or you can just go on the Steve Harvey Morning Show and do your thing. Keep it locked to the deuce. It's the Neighborhood Awards Table Classic, Friday, August the 8th through August the 10th. Sign up today to play Spade, Bid, Whiz, and Domino. The event will be held at the Thomas Murphy Billiard in the Georgia World Conference Center. To enter, go to KIIZ, click on the Steve Harvey banner, look for the Table Classic banner. Registration is $50 to enter. Hit me up if you have a shout out, a birthday, or an event you need help with at the Z Entertainment Report at gmail.com. I'm your girl, Nicole, and that's what's up, only on The Deuce.